Welcome to DEX. Today, we'll guide you through the export data grid process. Let's dive in. Simply click on the Transactions option in the DEX main menu. Customize your view using filters and the Expand Data Grid button to refine your selection. Here you can add a column for principal and service fee, if needed. Ready to export? Hit the Download button in the upper right corner of the data grid. Now, tailor your download template. You can delete fields by clicking the trash can icon, move them by dragging and dropping each item with the 6 dots icon, and finally you can add new columns like line items. Pick your preferred file format and enable the Include Transaction Summary for more detailed information. Click the arrow before downloading to save the changes as a template. DEX handles smaller queries immediately, but for larger ones, it runs asynchronously. And there you have it. After processing, DEX notifies you. Access your files from the Downloads tab. They're available for 48 hours. Exporting transactions is made easy with DEX.